Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make this triple chocolate mud pie. It's a no-bake pie and it's absolutely fantastic. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of very chilled milk, 2 boxes of your 3 ounces of instant chocolate JELL-O pudding, very important, use the instant, 1 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip thawed, and a 9-inch graham cracker crust. Now you can buy this already made, which I have, or you can go ahead and make it homemade. The other ingredients you're gonna need is toasted pecans, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. 1/4 of a cup of sweetened condensed milk, and 3 ounces of your semi-sweet chocolate. This is 1 ounce. Let me show you how we're gonna toast these pecans. I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm adding my pecans right here on a cookie sheet. You want to make sure you have them in a single layer. And now these are off to the oven for the next 5 minutes. Make sure to keep your eye on them because you don't want to scorch them. Remove the cover from your pie crust. This will keep it protected till you're ready to use it, and then this acts as a top to keep it chilled and fresh. If you are making your own homemade crust, you can use plastic wrap. Melt your chocolate squares in a microwave for about 1 minute, stirring every 15 seconds, or you may melt it over a double boiler until it's looking like this. Then we're going to add that sweetened condensed milk in with our chocolate. Make sure you get it all in there. Give this a lovely little stirring until it's nice and well blended. Add to the bottom of your graham cracker crust. Now I like using a rubber spatula. I think it just works beautifully. And we're gonna spread it around the bottom of our graham cracker crust until you got a nice, lovely, even layer. That's absolutely perfect. Back with our toasted pecans. We're gonna put them right here on a chopping board, and oh, they smell so aromatic. With a chef's knife, we're just gonna cut it down. Once it's looking like this, add those pecans right here on the top of that lovely chocolate in just an even layer, and you can push it down into your chocolate. That looks lovely. Yum! Add both your packages of your chocolate JELL-O pudding into a large bowl. Add your 2 cups of your ice cold milk. Whisk around for 2 minutes, and looking like this, it's going to be nice and thick. And we're going to add half this mixture into our lovely pie, and I'm just gonna eyeball it, and if you want to measure it, it's about 1.5 cups. We're gonna spread it until we get that even layer. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be light, airy, and so yummy and decadent. If you're a chocolate fan, you're going to love this chocolate pie. Add half of your tub of Cool Whip right here into your chocolate pudding. Stir it in until it's looking like this, and look how lovely and creamy that is. We're going to add this as the next layer to this pie, and oh my, does it look and smell just absolutely fantastic. If you want, you can put the remaining whipped cream right here, the other half, onto the top before chilling it. I like to wait and serve my Cool Whip on each slice of my pie before serving. This goes back in the refrigerator for 3 hours or overnight before serving. I've had my pie in the refrigerator for about 4 hours, and I'm removing this lid. I'm going to use a knife. I cut it in half first. And the best thing about using a knife is to clean it in between slices. You see there? We're going to clean that or wipe it off with a paper towel. I just quarter it. You can either cut this in half, your quarter, or you can cut it into thirds. And I go ahead and cut mine into thirds. You want to make sure you get all the way down into the crust there. My favorite way to remove that first piece of pie is just with a large fork. Gonna have to just kind of push it around. Oh, yum. Look at that. Put it here on a plate. I want to show you the side. See that first layer of chocolate there where we've got that sweetened condensed milk and that semi-sweet chocolate? Then we have that lovely chocolate pudding that we added the whipped cream in. And this is how I like to serve it. Add a dollop of whipped cream. I've got a microplane and some more of that semi-sweet chocolate. And I like to just shave it over the top, and look how it falls over on that plate. I think it gives just a lovely and beautiful presentation. Let's give it a try. Get a little bit of that graham cracker crust. Here goes. Wow. I get that richness of that delicious semi-sweet chocolate with that condensed milk, and that whipped cream makes it really light and airy. And let me tell you, if you're a chocolate lover, you're absolutely gonna love this triple layer chocolate pie. No bake, that easy, spectacular. Those toasted pecans, as you can see right there in the bottom, absolutely perfect for this pie. Toast your pecans. Take it to the next level of flavor. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me here on YouTube and Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.